Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the Order Tracker template, which you can purchase on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. With this template, easily track orders, manage customers, and keep everything in one place. Before you begin, take a moment to review the instructions on the first page. They'll help you understand how the template works. The first step shows how to specify the main categories. Next, show how to fill in the order table. This is an important step since it keeps all your orders organized and up to date. The next step shows how to analyze order tracker monitoring data. Next, the process of analyzing orders for a specific period is outlined, allowing you to spot patterns, evaluate results, and optimize your workflow. Finally, the annual overview provides a clear summary of yearly order activity, helping you identify long-term trends, evaluate overall performance, and plan more effectively. Go to the Settings sheet. On this sheet, you need to enter the currency symbol that will be used in the order tables. Next, you need to specify the data in the main categories based on which drop-down lists will be formed. Let's enter the data for the delivery method category. In this block, you can list the delivery options for your orders, such as standard shipping, express shipping, same-day delivery, in-store pickup, or international shipping. Let's enter the data for the product. For example, if your business focuses on office supplies, you can list products such as desk chair, laptop stand, Bluetooth mouse, desk lamp, or headphones. If your business focuses on a different type of activity, feel free to enter your own products that suit your needs. Let's enter the data for the priority category. In this block, you can assign a priority level to each order, such as high, medium, or low. Let's enter the data for the status category. You can track the current status of each order, such as delivered, shipped, preparing, or canceled. You can specify about 500 categories in each block. Go to the order tracker sheet. Move on to the table below. In this table, you need to specify information about orders. Specify the date. Select the product. Enter the price. Enter the quantity. Enter the discount or leave blank if none. The columns with amounts are calculated automatically. Select the status. Select the priority. Enter the customer. Select the delivery method. If necessary, you can specify more detailed information about the order. Tracking number, due date, ship date, arrival date, and write a note. Let's list more orders as examples. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Let's move on to the analysis section. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. The upper block shows the summary data on orders, total revenue, number of orders, and average revenue per order. The table shows the number of orders by status. By reviewing this data, you can see which orders are delayed, track their status, and prioritize tasks effectively. The structure of orders by status can be analyzed using the chart. The orders by delivery method chart shows the number of orders broken down by delivery method. Analyzing this chart helps you see which delivery options are most popular, optimize shipping processes, and plan resources effectively. The chart shows the number of orders broken down by priority level. Analyzing this chart helps you focus on the most urgent orders and manage your workflow. Next, go to the Data Overview sheet. On this sheet, select Start Date and End Date, and the data will be updated automatically. You can also view data for a specific product or priority. The top block shows summary data on orders. This analysis allows you to get a quick overview and manage your business more efficiently. The table shows the products with the highest sales volume. Analyzing this table helps you identify best-selling products, optimize inventory, and focus marketing efforts on popular items. The chart shows the products that generate the highest revenue. Analyzing this chart helps you identify your most profitable products, optimize pricing and promotions, and focus on revenue growth opportunities. The chart shows the distribution of orders by priority level. Analyzing this chart helps you focus on high priority orders, manage workflow efficiently, and ensure timely completion of important orders. The chart shows the distribution of orders across different delivery methods. Analyzing this chart helps you see popular options, optimize shipping, and manage orders efficiently. Detailed information can be found in the table below. Go to the Annual Overview sheet. On this sheet, select the year and all data will be updated automatically. You can also set filters for products and priorities. The top block shows a yearly overview of your orders. Use it to get a clear summary, assess overall results, and plan next steps. The table shows monthly order totals. This allows you to monitor trends, identify busy periods, and manage your workflow efficiently. The chart shows your monthly revenue. Analyzing this chart helps you track income trends, identify peak months, and plan your business strategy. The chart displays your most popular products. The chart shows the products that generate the highest revenue. This allows you to spot trends, manage stock efficiently, and boost sales. See the table below for detailed monthly sales. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try it out by entering your own orders. You'll see how simple it is to track and manage your sales. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.